I'm going to go over a pair of kind of walking slash maybe running workout shoes from the company ALLSWIFIT. This color that I got these in are the true blue. You know what? Good old true blue. And just looking over them here, you've got a shank in the middle right here. It's got the logo on it, ALLSWIFIT. So it's got that hardened area there to give you amount of flex there, but not flex in the center. And it has this kind of non-lacing. I love this for just basic working out when you're sliding it on. This heel right here is made where the heel can slide down in there nicely and not have to reach down and constantly, you know, try to pull them up and like that, because the way it's designed isn't easy. It's got a, I don't know if you can hear that. It's a hardened material, maybe some sort of plastic material that's in the back of the heel that causes that. And it's very, so there's not likely to cause blisters back here. And the insoles on these things, I'll take the insoles out. The insoles are like a big piece of foam. So there's a nice foam in there that if you can see it right there, you can see, and these are replaceable insoles right there. The stitching looks good. There is a stitching that runs along the inside right there. These fit very true to size. I put these on, I walked around, kind of felt the way they felt, jumped up and down, seen how it goes. They have a nice tread on the bottom for kind of grip. I love this tread. It's got kind of a bend in the middle and kind of a drop heel. You can see there's no kind of dip right here in the middle. It's kind of a drop outsole on it, and the top is like a breathable mesh fabric on the top. Has a little reflector on the side right there. Really nice looking shoe. This is kind of like a good all-around shoe, very light. This is something I recommend for anyone that's going to the gym, maybe working out, or just doing walks around the neighborhood or something like that, that just wants a good, comfortable shoe at a very affordable price. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the ALLSWIFITs, you know, walking shoes, workout shoes. See you on the next video.